What's good, man? What's good? What's good? Welcome back to the channel, man. I got this PT Cruiser right here, man. Some electrical issues going on. Y'all know we hardly ever see these again. I like to record what's going on. Now this one, electrical, like I say, there's a error message on the instrument cluster. Now there's a big history on these clusters, especially after people replacing the battery. This problem seems to come up. So what you need to do first is try to reset the cluster. So what I'm gonna do is go inside and do the reset cluster procedure, and then I'm gonna check and make sure the cluster is even on the bus. Remember, this is like a 08. That cluster is on the bus, so it is a module. It's an actual module, and will be seen on your data link or your diagnostic tool. So let's go inside and see. All right, okay. Let me turn this around this way. And as you can see, that says error. All right, so what I'm gonna do is run the diagnostic on the cluster. It's a funny way to do this. Okay, as you can see, the gauges are moving on their own. It's in diagnostic phase. It's going through the internal diagnostics of the cluster. So let's see what happens after this is done. Hopefully the error message will be gone, but we won't know until after the cluster self-diagnostic is done. And it's done, and as you can see right here, we still have the error message, which is not good. So like I say, what I'm gonna do now is go to my scan tool, or my the data link connector on the computer, and see if the cluster is even on the bus. Because remember, this is a module in itself. And from what I'm seeing, like I say, this is an 08 PT Cruiser. I don't really need to VN out. So let's see. This is the cluster, and it is on the bus with no fault codes. So, man, I have to have power and ground going to it, so it's almost like something internal to the cluster has been wiped out. Now, how does it get wiped out? Just by simply replacing the battery. No one knows, just a glitch. Like I said, last time I had this problem, we ended up replacing the cluster, and I'm afraid that's the same thing we're gonna end up doing with this one, because like normally on a module you would check, make sure you got power and ground and a bus signal. This module actually does, because I'm on the bus, as you've seen on my scan tool. So only repair for this one, man, gonna be to replace that cluster. Now sure, you can get a new used cluster for this. You can get a used cluster for this car. You don't have to be a brand new cluster. Brand new cluster would be high in price. So get you a used cluster, but keep in mind, if you get a used cluster, whatever mileage in that cluster gonna now be in your car. All right. So let me get out of here. I don't want this video to be long, so I just wanted to do this quick video real quick. Cause like I say, we hardly ever get these in the shop. All right. So thanks for watching. Comment, subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next video.